Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do an updo with a lip gloss. Yes, a lip gloss. So here's what my hair looks like before the style. I do have it curled a little bit. So what you want to do is take a section in the front on both sides and just leave them out, and then you're going to gather the hair in the back and just put it into a ponytail, a low ponytail. So you want to leave out a pretty decent amount of hair in the front just because that is the hair that you're going to be doing your updo with. So just keep that in mind. And I'm just using a clear elastic, nothing special. I'm just putting my hair through twice and then just giving it a tug. And now I'm going to take a lip gloss and I'm just going to put it in the center like you see here, and then I'm going to tighten my ponytail just so that the lip gloss stays secure. Then I'm going to take one small section of hair and put it over that lip gloss. Take another small section of hair and put it over the lip gloss. And then just keep doing. So I'm taking a small section of hair, wrapping it over the lip gloss, and then doing the same thing on the other side, wrapping it over the lip gloss, and then just finishing out with the rest of the hair, putting it over the lip gloss, and then doing the other side, putting it over the lip gloss. Then I'm taking that hair and basically I'm just gathering it underneath the ponytail, taking the clear elastic and then just creating a little ponytail underneath my big ponytail. So you can see that here. I'm just taking another elastic and doing a ponytail. So then I'm going to give my big ponytail a tug, and then that is what it looks like. I'm going to take some hair out in the front and just kind of pull it out on both sides, and then just kind of pinch and pull all around the top of my head. And then I'm just going to take this Baby Bliss curling iron and just curl the front of my bangs.